Young Tweety Bud on the track.
Good evening, America. It's looking like today's weather is going to be quite sunny, with a side of light winds pushing by. So, enjoy a nice day tonight, today, all day. But it should be good for the next few days. Play it. See, look. Good evening. If such a thing is even possible. Tonight's forecast, dark clouds, colder air, and a steady drizzle of misery. Expect a long, uncomfortable night. Tomorrow, more gray skies, more bitter wind, and no sign of relief. Carry an umbrella. Not that it will help much. In weeks ahead, consider your life to be over.